Where we go next is, I think, nothing to do with computers. It's about the Internet of Things, which is everything in our world will be somehow connected in some way. At Cancer Research UK, for example, we were discussing the toothbrushes that actually analyse your saliva and then can give you the health benefits of analysing that, and then uploading it to a website or to your doctor to analyse and have a look at. Now that's quite whoa, a completely different perspective on how to use the internet. And I think there's lots of different sort of examples, some of which are fairly real and some of which are a bit wacky at the moment, but are not far off being real, that will almost make the devices irrelevant. So you'll be able to wear the internet in your clothing. We've all seen Google Glass, which is fairly basic attempts to create the visual experience from a pair of glasses of looking at data and downloading stuff from the internet. So I think devices will become irrelevant, that we'll be walking around and literally being able to tap on a wall, and there will be a whole video conference of people in a different country sitting behind the wall, and it will look as if they're all in the same room. We're almost getting to that stage now. It's just a matter of making sure that the infrastructure and the technology is cheap enough to be able to exploit. So I think that's where we're heading. And I think the challenge, obviously, again, is behind the scenes to make that secure enough, because security and fear and risk will always start impinging on what people are doing. So to have that in mind to start with, and to have the right software and to have enough skills in the skills base to be able to manipulate that. And I think the more an organisation uses all of these things and is aware of these things internally, and it's not some strange planet out there that they're trying to address, that they're living it, then the more chance that an organisation has got to survive in a marketplace which is demanding these kinds of channels.